Hello everyone, if you are running a business and want to identify which products contribute the most sales and revenue to company, then creating a stacked Pareto chart is the best option for you. So, this is Zehad Rian from Exceldemy, and today we'll learn several steps on how to create a stacked Pareto chart in Excel. Let's talk about what is a Pareto chart. A Pareto chart is a form of graph with both bars and line, where the bars reflect individual values in descending order, but the line shows cumulative total. Here we have the employee name, their sales in January and February, their total sales, cumulative and percentage cumulative in column B, C, D, E, F, and G. For this tutorial, I'll be using Microsoft Excel 365. So without any further discussion, let's get started. To determine the total sales for each employee, we need to go for the E6 cell and insert the C6 and add D6 with it and press the enter button to get the total sales for the first employee. Use the fill handle tool to get the total sales for each employee here. Now to sort it in descending order, we'll go for the home tab and now you'll go for sort and filter option. In the sort and filter option, you'll go for sort largest to smallest as we're trying to get the descending order. After clicking it, you'll find the sort warning where you'll click on expand the selection and go for the sort. And after that, you'll see the change here. For calculating cumulative, you need to go for the F6 cell, and as the first value of cumulative is equal to the total sales, then click on the E6 and press the enter button to add the first cumulative. Now, where the second cumulative, you need to go for the F6 cell and add the new value of the sales, which is in the E7, and press the enter button. Now use the fill handle tool to get the cumulative for each and every cell. You need to know that the last cell of the cumulative also shows the total sales here. To determine the percentage cumulative, you need to select the cells from G6 to G10, go for the home tab, and in the number section, you have to select the percentage form. After that, you'll go for G6 and insert the F6 and divide it with the total value, which is in the F10. Make it permanent by using F4 in the keyboard. Press the enter button to get the first cumulative percentage. Use the fill handle tool to get the cumulative percentage for every employee. For creating stacked Pareto chart, select employee name, January and February sales, and also the cumulative percentage. Go for the insert tab and in the chart section, go for insert column or bar chart. Click on more column charts. Here in the insert chart dialog box, go for all charts and select combo. Select the custom combination. And now in the January and February, you need to get the stacked column. So I'll go for it and select the stacked column chart. Now the January and February sales have been changed, but you need to show the cumulative percentage as line, but you need to show it as secondary axis. So tick on it. So you'll see that you have got the perfect preview. If everything is correct, then press OK and get the chart here. So you have marked the January, February sales and the cumulative percentage in the chart. If you want to remove the grid lines, then go for the chart elements and tick the grid lines to get a better view. After that, you can also add the chart title. You need to go for the chart title and delete the name and write down the name according to your wish. Suppose you need to name it as stacked Pareto chart, then write it down here. And here you have got the perfect stacked Pareto chart. So that's how we can create a stacked Pareto chart in Excel. Here I have the serial number, product name and quantity, and with the help of these three columns, I want to show you the steps of creating a Pareto chart. So we'll select B, C and D columns, go for the insert tab, and in the chart section, we'll go for insert statistic chart, go for the histogram and click on the Pareto chart. And now you have got the perfect Pareto chart. If you want to remove the grid line, then go for chart elements and untick the grid lines. So that's how we can easily create a Pareto chart in Excel. So that's it for today. You can follow these methods accordingly, or you can download the practice workbook from the link below. Hope this will help you. If you have any questions, suggestions or feedback, please let us know in the comment section. Or you can have a glance at exceldemy.com. Thanks for watching our video. If you like this video, please consider subscribing for more content like this.